Biafra Liberation Army live in Finland to support Simon Ekpa in Biafra declaration. Things are happening. My people, it don't read though. I tell when I say you go shell it, don't shell it. They say that millions of Biafrans don't troop inside Finland. Not only that, alongside with Biafra armies, waiting for US armies, they live for inside Finland right now. Let me play the videos for you to watch from beginning to end. I also share the videos so that other people going to get the information, because I did here today bring you update your own work now to share them so that people will also get the information. Oh yeah, watch the video before we come back and continue.
These are Biafra live in Finland. Live in Finland. Live. Live in Finland. Live. Live in Finland. Black. No. Biafra. Live. I'm a young rabbi. Biafra live. They just arrived. They just arrived. Biafra. They just arrived. Biafra. They just arrived. Biafra. That's your wife. Biafra just arrived right now. Right now. In Helsinki.
This is Finland live. This is not photoshopping. This is Mary. This is Mary. Take up with her husband. Yes. This is Mary. Take up. This is the husband. This is not photoshopping. This is not photoshopping. It's live. This is live.
More and more people coming.
Let them tell us it's a photoshopping.
Biafra just arrived. All over the whole world. All over the whole world. This is arrived. All over the whole world. Biafra just arrived from all over the whole world.
Which is part of the UK. Yes. It's not a free state.
Yes. Biafra are arriving in town.
This is live.
Yeah.
If they like, let them tag it Photoshop again.
Yeah.
Let them tag it Photoshop.
No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender.
The zoo is in trouble. The zoo is in trouble. The zoo is in trouble. Yeah, can I told you? I tell you no na mother can't do it. See Biafra, there's so many. See, oh.
And what if Biafra means Soko Biafra?
You're welcome. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. I can. You see Biafrans, eh? These are Biafrans from all over the world. All over the world, they were here. From all over the world. Live in Helsinki. Live. Well, IPOB Nigeria said that if you come here, they will arrest you. IPOB Nigeria. Yeah, welcome, brother. Welcome. Yeah. Say if you come here, they will arrest you. IPOB Nigeria. Say if you come here, they will. What would they arrest you? Are we a criminal? This is live in Helsinki. Live. With 247. 247. Nobody. Nobody, believe me. It's time. It's time for us to take back our land. It's time.
Everywhere you tread, you step your foot into. God has blessed us. In case you don't know. God has blessed us.
Well, IPOB Nigeria said that if you come here, they will arrest you. IPOB Nigeria. Yeah, welcome, brother. Welcome. Yeah. Say if you come here, they will arrest you. IPOB Nigeria. Say if you come here, they will. What would they arrest you? Are we a criminal? This is live in Helsinki. Live. With 247. 247. Nobody. Nobody, believe me. It's time. It's time for us to take back our land. It's time.
Everywhere you tread, you step your foot into Biafra. God has blessed us. In case you don't know. Look at the whole world is looking at me now. I am in Finland. Look, this is not photoshopping. I don't know. Oh, come. Look at here. Let them see that this is Finland. This is Finland. This is Finland. After now, hasn't no Photoshop because on the
IPOB Nigeria.
IPOB, she said that Kendara. One day, they'll let Lomo Biafra this side. Come with me. Come and see. One night, come and see Omo Biafra.
IPOB Nigeria said if you come Finland, they will arrest you. That's stupid. Yeah. Imana, last year, remember? Yes. Remember me, eh? Yes. Yeah. Every time I'm going to Zoom meeting. Yes. Yeah. Hello. These are we are so many, eh? We are so many. We are so many. We are see them. Biafra can't go.
United Kingdom.
Biafra all the way. All the way from UK.
China, from UK. Come
I've before. They one now. Yeah, come on, Biafra. Yeah. This is life in Helsinki. Life in Helsinki. Yeah. Life in Helsinki.
Yes, so.
Yeah. So see them here all. Aka uncle. Biafra. Life in Helsinki.
Biafra all the way.
Life in Helsinki. Life. We are live. IPOB Nigeria say if you come here they will arrest you. Yeah.
Yes, we are here to make history. We are here to get our freedom, and that freedom is Biafra. 2nd of December is sacrosanct. Nothing is going to stop it.
We have crossed the Rubicon. Which is absolutely.
You can see Biafrans. You can see Biafrans all the way. All the way. See them. There are just too many.
You people remember I told you, we will bring this particular freedom from diaspora. Nobody knew what I was saying. But today, it is getting clearer. Like I have said to every other person I have met before, I may not be able to explain everything that is going to happen after 2nd of December. But you know, when we started, a lot of things you know today, you didn't know it. A lot of things that have come clearer. How we are going to get this freedom, you didn't know it. But as we move on, you'll be seeing things unfolding and you get a clearer picture. So after 2nd of December, the move we're going to make, the document we're going to sign, the treaties of the United Nations we're going to sign, and everything we're going to do will begin to clear, the kind of the direction the Biafra government is taking to restore the lost sovereign state of Biafra. So people of Itai Anan State, I want you to understand that do not mind those who look down on you today. Do not mind those who laugh at you today. It is part of the struggle for freedom. People are going to laugh at you, but just know that you know what you are doing. People are going to mock you. Remember, you know what you are doing, and you know who you are following. That is the most important thing. That you know who you are following, and you trust that person you are following, and you give your trust on that government. That's what matters. Forget whatever any other person is saying. And at the end of the day, you are going to be their king. I mean, you are going to be their king, because by the time they realize that they have gone the wrong way, they will come back to you begging. Then you are going to give them condition. And the condition is well grounded in our constitution, that we are going to vote for the adoption during the convention in Finland. There we are going to show them where they belong. But for now, let them enjoy their laugh, let them enjoy their mockery, but remember, stay focused, because the people that are mocking you today do not have any better plan or any better alternative to what you are doing. You know exactly what you are doing, and you know that this is going to bring Biafra. Let me tell you, for the very first time in the history of Biafra agitation or struggle or liberation or fight, we have...
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I am message you share the video so that other people go get the information and know how it they go. We dey here, they bring you back to back update as you dey heard.